Menteri Ketenaga Puliputhi Jaka Sarkar Jylla Umalak Men Rymbui Ulaithu Shen on Salab and Pyntreikam Noh Engineering College Jongka Jylla Meghalaya Ulong Bamenta Kakam Kadangya Chakmat Hakaban Yo Jingbit Naka AICTE Barkiwe Pyntreikam.
Let us not look at this incident as that every other building or anything also it is like that. But because engineers are there and the structure of other building is not as complicated as the structure of assembly building. So I hope that everything is taken care of to the best of the technical specification and mandated in the plan.
So, what is the status of making the college functional, sir? Because it was about to function from the second.
See, the process now is on for the affiliation to NEHU, and the process is on for sanctioning of posts and application to AICTE. So this process is on. I hope that we will be able to complete the process subject to the approval of the regulatory authority, that means AICTE.